Dear students, the most crucial stage in the entire preparation of civil services examination is the mains stage, because here there will be the real test of your knowledge as well as your wisdom, your thinking abilities, your ability to critically analyze the things, your ability to write proper structured answers, which not only makes sense but which compel an examiner to give you marks so that you get the rank which you desire for. These 3 months are very, very crucial, and you should not leave any stone unturned. As we conduct our political science and international relations crash course, which has continuously given good results, we have also started GS crash course, and this is the second edition, as we have done the first edition last year with a considerably good performance of the students along with the results. So, I recommend use your time wisely in a structured manner. Our GS crash course come test series is the best approach to deal with the general studies paper, the marks of which is 2 times that of the marks of your optional, and the course feature is, along with the test series, there will be the rapid revision classes. So if anything that has remained, it will be covered, and you will also be getting updated notes of all the material plus all those topics which are expected in the exam. Now, the classes are followed with the test and the test discussion. What is the best part of the course is one-to-one mentorship with our teachers and mentors. And another thing is that you don't have to worry for the current affairs. We will also be covering the current affairs. In this course, you will learn how to write, how to deconstruct in a manner that maximize your marks. We are starting the class from 24th. The class timing is 8 to 10:30. You can avail this in both online as well as in offline mode. On 23rd, we are conducting a seminar. First 3 classes are open to all. I believe that this is a very good opportunity and you should avail it. Thank you.